This is the new microphone, Laviler Microphone AU100 from Maono. It supports smartphone, camcorder, PC and DSLR. It's made in China and has been marketed in India. Let's now unbox it. The package inside is sleek. It's nice. Let's open it. So that is a plastic cover on the box, and this is the microphone assembly inside it. Let's see the contents inside the box. There is a user manual and a user guide that's in Chinese and English. Let's put these all things aside. There is a QR code over here if you need help for that. And this pouch is nice and sleek. Okay, there is a clip inside it. Now let's see the mic assembly. So this is the adapter. Okay, it's got a 3.5mm adapter, so you can use in all the things, in your smartphone, in your camcorder and other things as well. So this is the mic assembly. As you can see it, there is another clip over here. So two clips in total. And this is the thing that we are actually going to use over the microphone. And this is a battery. Now let's see what's inside this housing of Maono for the microphone. There is an on and off switch button. Let's see inside. There is another battery over here. So in total there are two batteries, one over here and the one here. Now let's fit the microphone bud that has been given with this box and get the microphone ready. This is the microphone, and now we will go ahead, put the microphone bud on it and get it ready. So it's now ready. Now we will use it and check it how it's functioning. Friends, now I'm recording this video with a new lapel mic from Maono. If you like the sound quality of this mic, please let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button of this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share it among your friends, comment on it, and please subscribe the channel on YouTube.